In this video, we will learn how to balance a budget. Let's get started. A budget is a plan for your money. It shows how much money you expect to receive, your income, and how much money you expect to spend, your expenses. A budget is balanced when your total income is equal to your total expenses. But what does a budget look like? Here's Miranda's budget for June. On the left side of this table, we see Miranda's income, which is all the money she plans to receive in June. On the right side, we see her expenses, all the money she plans to spend in June. Remember, if the total amount of money in the income column is equal to the total amount of money in the expenses column, then the budget is balanced. Now, you may have noticed that some of these dollar amounts are missing. The amount Miranda plans to earn from a yard sale, and the totals. We'll need to fill these in to answer our question, how much money does Miranda need to earn from the yard sale to balance her budget? We need to compare what we know about Miranda's expenses to what we know about her income. Starting with Miranda's expenses, let's add $25 for the National Park Tour, $210 for her new mountain bike, and $15 for a donation to a zoo. So her total expenses are $250. For this budget to be balanced, her total income also needs to add up to $250. Let's see how much income she has so far. We know that she expects to get $30 as her allowance and earn $80 for tutoring a neighbor, which gives us a total of $110. So how much does Miranda need to earn at her yard sale in order to have an income of $250? Right now, the difference between her expenses, $250, and her income, $110, is $140. This means that Miranda needs to earn $140 at her yard sale to balance her budget. Great! Now Miranda's total income and total expenses are $250. Her budget is balanced. Let's try one more. This time, we'll look at Nate's budget for March. How much money can Nate spend on new ski boots to keep his budget balanced? Once again, we'll add up his income and expenses, and then we'll compare. We'll add $410 from his job as a ski instructor, $35 for shoveling snow, and $20 extra that was left over from his February budget. So his total income is expected to be $465. What about Nate's expenses? Well, so far we know that he plans to spend $75 for a one-day ski pass and $45 on headphones, which adds to a total of $120. This means there's plenty of money left for Nate to buy new ski boots. Subtracting his total expenses, $120, from his total income, $465, we get $345. So how much can Nate spend on new ski boots to keep his budget balanced? That's right, $345. So if Nate buys new ski boots for $345, his total income and total expenses will be equal, and his budget for March will be balanced. Nice work! Time to balance budgets on your own. Thanks for watching.